Welcome back to The Adventurers, the Temple of Chac. This is going to be turn 8. Last time, poor Len was crushed by the boulder. He didn't make it. We have Bill Baker here, which is us playing him in the water. Puccio's in the stream here, and Leah is still in the tunnel. And so, yes, of course, the first thing we need to do is adjust our load levels. And so let's go over to the player area. Of course, we only have 3 players this time to deal with and adjust load levels. All right, so here's poor Len. He's eliminated. Now, like I said, if you're playing strictly rules, we could bring in a new character in one of the corner spaces, but I'm not going to bother playing that way. I'm just going to say it's an elimination round. If you get crushed by the boulder or blocked in, you're done, and that's the way it is. But in the actual rules of the game, you can, in fact, bring in a second character, and the second character would be the card that's underneath your character's card. But I'm not going to do that. All right, so it is turn 8. Bill Baker is going first. He has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards, and so he has a load level of between 4 and 6, so that he needs a 3+ on a die for an action. Puccio is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He has 6. He's also at 3, and Leah is still at 4 because she has 8 treasures. So we're going to have Bill Baker going first. He's going to roll 5 dice, and we're going to see how many actions each of the characters gets. All right, things heating up for the 5 dice. Of course, we're all looking for high numbers as adventurers. And, well, not bad, not bad. The 1, of course, is going to be an action for no adventurer. But we do have a 4, 2 5s, and a 6. So that basically means everybody is going to get 4 actions. And so, keeping that in mind, we are going to go ahead and we're going to start with Bill Baker. And Bill Baker is right here. And so he has 4 actions. He's just going to go 1, 2, 3, and he's going to search this space. 4, which gives him another card. And what he finds is a 2-value little idol, adding to his stash. He now has 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, he has 6 treasures. All right. Up next is the fish Puccio, and he gets 4 actions. And he is going to go 1, 2, 3 and search here for 4. So that's going to give him another treasure, bringing him now dangerously to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, to 7. But, you know, this is the exit, and they have to make a roll to get out of the river without too much peril. Let me just readjust, and we're going to do Leah. She's going to have 4 actions, and is she going to try the bridge, or is she going to take the long way around? Let's have a look. All right, Leah's carrying 8 treasures, and she really wants to get out of here with that. Give her a fairly decent chance of winning. If she takes the long way around, though, the boulder might actually catch up to her. She does have 4 actions, and she has her sprint ability, which means that she could actually use she could move 5 spaces. So she could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to here. But you know what? I think she's going to try the bridge. So she has 4 actions. She's going to go 1 and 2. And so when you step on the bridge, you roll a number of dice equal to the number of planks. So there's 5 planks on this bridge. 1 plank breaks for each die result lower than the current load level. So 1 plank's going to break for every 1, 2, and 3 that is rolled on the 5 dice. So any 4, 5, 6 means the plank is solid. So Leah doesn't want to see 5 dice that are less than 4 because that's her load level. And she rolls, well, she rolls 2 6s and a 1, 2, and 3. So 3 planks break off of the bridge. So we just remove them, 1, 2, 3, and there she is, still teetering on the bridge with a bunch of planks missing. Now, she could stay there and try and search. There's a special treasure, I guess, on the bridge, worth quite a bit, I believe. But she could also fall through and perish, and I don't think she wants to do that. She wants to get out of here with as much treasure as possible. And so she went one, that was her second action. She has 2 more actions, so she's just going to move 1, 2. And so she's well on her way, if we look here, to getting to the exit. So it's possible Leah's going to get out of here before that boulder crushes her. And now, of course, that's going to be the end of turn 8. And the only thing left to do, of course, is roll the boulder. So let me just zoom out a bit, and we'll get to the boulder move. All right, so the boulder, of course, is going to move. It moves on a 3+, and we're rolling 5 dice. Wow, the boulder doesn't do much this time. It only moves 2 spaces, 1, 2, and that's really it. And so I'm just going to adjust out a little bit so we can get a bigger picture of what's going on, and that will be the conclusion of turn 8. All right, so we're kind of looking at the end game here. We have Puccio swimming along through the stream. We have Bill Baker swimming along through the stream, and we have Leah Rice, who's strolling along towards the exit with her 8 treasures. So she's done pretty well. And the boulder is actually pretty far away. Pretty good odds that the 3 of them may get out, but it's really tricky to get out of the little waterfall area, and we'll see that, of course, coming in turn 9. All right, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Join me next time for The Adventurers of the Temple of Chac, turn 9.